Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, let me mist first. The 3 seconds beauty water. I just wash my face, so I don't want to dry out while I'm talking. Okay, the Synergy Ampoule Program is 4 weeks intensive skincare. I'm in the 2nd week of Synergy Ampoule Program. I'm still using the first Ampoule Code No.1 Advanced Hydration in the morning and the second Ampoule Vita Luminous in the evening. So this is Vita Luminous Code No.1 before activating the active Ampoule. Pure vitamin C in the Vita Luminous is powder form, so it needs 1 to 2 hours to get matte. Once you release the mix with that, then this one looks like this. Oh, this will become like this. So I already did it because I'm on already 3rd day of Vita Luminous. I will open the film first here. Every time I open this, I'm so excited. I open the seal and open the film, and then that. So here you see the yellow powder. This pure vitamin C. Then and shake it. So I'm going to change the cap with the strapper. So let it melt for 1 to 2 hours before you start using it. Number 1, the second ampoule of Synergy Ampoule Program, Vita Luminous. It's powerful premium brightening ampoule containing pure vitamin C and 12 more multivitamins and absolute brightening code. This one lights up your skin tone and persistent dark spots deep inside, and it can make your skin radiant. So Vita Luminous we only use in the evening and nighttime, not during the daytime. If you want to use this one for daytime, you need to wear generous amount of sun cream like Luni size. So I think it's better not to use it. It's good to use only in the nighttime to be safe. And if you are already using spot out line, Atomy spot out line, like spot out essence or spot out cream, so we recommend not to use together with Vita Luminous. Vita Luminous brightening ampoule is powerful enough alone for brightening effect, so you don't need to add another intensive brightening care to that. So let me try. So for me, I have the normal to combination skin, so I will cut down many steps. First, I use absolute toner. So absolute toner is really great for brightening too, and moisturizing. So I normally use 3 layers, but today for Synergy Ampoule I'll use only 2 layers. Then I will use Vita Luminous in the nighttime. Right now I'm using the Advanced Hydration in the morning and Vita Luminous in the nighttime. But if you want to use for both in the nighttime, you can use Vita Luminous first and then Advanced Hydration the later. If you have really dry skin, if you need more moisture, then you can use this hydration first and the Vita Luminous later. But for me, I will use Vita Luminous. So this one doesn't smell good. You know, smells like energy IV. It reminds me of the IV vitamin smell. So it doesn't smell good, but I can feel these real vitamins. And I want to combat my persistent dark spots here, so I'm going to use more on my cheeks. Yeah, more. See, I have dark spots here. And then I put the eye cream. So I'm not going to use nutrition cream. Today I'm using the 2 Synergy Ampoule, like Advanced Hydration and then Vita Luminous, so I'm not going to use night cream. I only use toner, Synergy Ampoule, and eye cream. I like to share how I feel by now. I'm in the 2nd week, right? For the first couple of days, when I was using Advanced Hydration, my skin I felt so tight, something really tight. but I felt deep moisture really inside. That was really good. The deep moisture I can feel, and I got some little bit of some blemishes, pimples near nose, on the chin, but I feel this is part of the good process for the transformation. So pushing bad things out and filling up with good things in it. So this is part of process. So I hopefully will get a brighter skin, smoother texture. But I already noticed my skin got much brighter and my skin is so smooth, and I feel more moisturized, more hydration. So I'm really hopeful to combat my dark spots here, and so excited to move on to next level, the third Ampoule 24 pure gold infusion for lifting. So I will come back with the third Ampoule in the next video. And for today, you guys stay more to find out what's good about Vita Luminous. Code No.1 Vita Luminous is a high-end brightening ampoule containing pure vitamin C and 12 more multivitamins. Vita Luminous achieves radiant skin with powerful brightening care. Pure vitamin C is really hard to stabilize, but by encapsulation technology, Vita Luminous contains high content of pure vitamin C stabilized. Core ampoule contains 12 multivitamins and absolute brightening code. The amount of vitamin complex and absolute brightening code is remarkably high. Synergy ampoule is highly concentrated, packed with potent ingredients. Vita Bright Complex brings many levels of brightening effects by 13 types of vitamins working together, more effective than vitamin C alone. Patented absolute code and the delivery technology are applied to Atomy Absolute Skincare and Synergy Ampoule Program. Absolute code is the complex of highly effective ingredients and optimal ratio, and the delivery technology is to enable the absolute code to quickly and accurately find and target the areas of skin problems. This is one of the most advanced delivery technology used in skincare.
Smart Capsulation Transfer Technology scans the face to precisely deliver absolute code. The science behind Absolute's technology aims to discover the potential of skin vitality. Atomy's technological advancement of science goes beyond expectations. Unveil the mysteries of flawless.
I'll be back with next Ampoule 24K Pure Gold Infusion for lifting in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Before you leave, please click like and subscribe button. I'm Hannah. Let's be more beautiful, healthier, and feel good about ourselves. See you next time. Bye bye.